देखिए,
Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar expressed pride at the Bangalore Tech Summit, highlighting the city's role as a global hub of innovation and talent. He noted that over 60 countries are participating, with 1,000 speakers contributing ideas to shape the future. Shivakumar emphasized Bangaluru's strength with more than 25 lakh IT professionals driving growth and attracting investment. He assured that the state government under IT Minister Priyank Kharge and Sharad Bajgawada will provide full support though ease of doing business initiatives. Stressing the importance of startups, Shivakumar said their innovations will play a key role in tackling challenges such as cybercrime, reinforcing Bengaluru's reputation as the future of the world.
Karnataka government is organizing this great international event. A city, you have seen this city, air-conditioned city, a city with innovation, a city with talent, a city with future of the world. I am so proud that almost 60 countries have participated today here, and they are all looking at Bangalore. And let us all join together. Thousands of speakers are here today. They are discussing for the next 3 days. They want to shape the world in this from through city. The human capital, the human resources, what is been here can't be matched. I think more than 25 lakh IT professionals are working here. So we all welcome them. I assure to all the participants and the people of this talented world, where we are encouraging in every sector. You know that all the policies were being from the day one were here, and the world leaders every day meet me, speak to me. They want to invest, they want to come to Bangalore. So here is a place, and we will help them in whatever the best possible on ease of doing business. So under the leadership of my IT Minister, Mr. Mallikarjun, our Priyank Kharge, and Mr. Sharad Bajgawada, both of them have joined and helping this government, and all of them, I am getting hundreds of calls so that they will start investing it, and a new IT city also is being planned in the greater Bangalore near Biddi in Bangalore South. So I hope this talent, this research, this innovation, startups will all join together, and even on this cyber issue, cyber crimes are increasing in the world.